our cutting tool for meats and meats with bones. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall measurement for the plate will be at least 13 3/4 inches. Just know, this bracket right here must be bolted and mounted onto a surface in order to use and operate the cutter. Overall length, we have at least 28.5 inches. And the measurement for the blade itself, or the knife, we have at least 15 3/4 inches. Thickness of the blade will be at least 7/16. So again, this bracket and plate must be bolted and mounted onto a surface in order to operate and to cut your meats and your meats with bones. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.